Samsung is ready for all of your nightmarish low-light photo scenarios with the Galaxy S9 Plus camera and its new f/1.5 aperture, a world's first for a smartphone camera. Its magic is dual-aperture technology, which switches between an f/1.5 aperture, pulls in more light for darker scenes, to f/2.4, reduces the amount of light captured to keep photos from becoming overexposed. The S9 Plus is now able to soak in 28% more light with 30% less noise compared to the S8 Plus. It also has the benefit of Samsung adding DRAM to its image sensor stack, allowing photos to be made up of a composite of 12 frames instead of 3 frames. Samsung has made significant camera hardware changes versus LG's pure software AI approach with the LG V30 Think, and the results speak for themselves. All of this groundbreaking camera trickery means it'll look like someone turned on more lights in your dimly lit pub and moody restaurant photos. That's exactly what we saw from the Google Pixel 2 and Google Pixel 2 XL a few months ago, but now Samsung, in controlled demos for now, has demonstrated that its new phones are significantly better for low-light photography. We'll test out its photography capabilities in full in a few days. We're also eager to continue testing Samsung's new super slow-motion video, which can capture up to 960 fps at 720p HD, matching the Xperia XZ1 and XZ1 Compact. The 240 fps slow-mo video has been bumped up to 1080p Full HD, too. Samsung said that slow motion has been the most popular video mode outside of automatic, and there's more reason to believe you'll continue to want to use it. It has the ability to start recording slow motion video when it detects motion. Timing the on-screen shutter button is always a pain when recording slow motion video, but this should alleviate that problem.